guys, I am videotaping today and the past few days so you can see what our family has been up to. We've been at school, which is an outdoor school. We call it forest school because we are in the forest and we do learn forest things. We do learn a lot at forest school. Anyway, mostly we get to play and get dirty, but that's okay. So we are going now out for a walk. We went on a walk the other day. I'm going to share with you guys in our neighborhood, which is really nice. And then we are now going to go to a playground that we like to go to. We haven't been there in a while. We're probably going to go mostly walking there because everything's probably very wet, but that's okay. We don't care. I've got the kids in their gear, so they are ready to go. We don't care if it's wet. We're so used to getting dirty now that it's totally fine. We just go with the flow, you know? And yeah, I'll let you know how the rest of the day goes, and I will try and post just a few days together. He's always curious about what I'm doing. And then my son Angelo, yes, they made a mess in the living room. That is where we play every day, and every day we change it up. And we've got Angelo right there hanging out. And yes, you can see a poop chart in the back right there. That's how we train our kids. It works really well. To get a visual of when they should be going. Anyway, I'm off topic now. I'm so sorry. But anyways, we are going to go now and I will let you know how this lovely park is, and you'll get to see where we like to go and what we like to do when I take the kids out for a nice walk and play. Okay, so we are at the park. Everything's pretty much closed off because I don't know if you can see, but there are trees that have fallen during the ice storm. And there's actually one over here too. It's uprooted, the tree back there. I'm so sorry, it's so hard for me to show you. I'll turn it around. See that tree? Papa, did you call me Papa? So that tree uprooted, and then we'll be right there, okay? And then that one fell. It's a very big tree, so it's a little scary, and there's another uprooted tree. Actually, that's part of that, but there's another one next to it, behind it, that also fell. So it's a little scary being here. But we are gonna try. We are now going up the hill. See, there's the park. That's why we're coming up this hill. Still trying to get to the park even though they have everything closed down there. You're doing it. You're doing it, sir. Good job. Check out all the debris. I think it's the debris and stuff, Angelo. It's nothing but debris up here now.
Oh, this tree?
All of those pieces, usually it's just dirt up here, so. Yeah, that's a lot of debris from that ice storm we had. There was lots of wind and lots of ice, so it pulled down the trees and the limbs. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Now we're gonna play a little bit even though we're the only people here, literally. No kids. I'll have to show you the roof. There we go, completely iced up. And the streets are completely iced up. Our mailbox, our driveway. It's a block of ice, guys. Literally a block of ice. And then down here is the same. This is a good one to see close up. It's pretty icy, man. And then these cars across the street are pretty cool because they're also extremely icy. Look at all those icicles. Craziness. Hold on, babe. I'm trying to take video. Oh, thank you. Look at all those icicles. Insane. Just everywhere. So we're trapped. I just walked home in this from across the street, and it was a lot. I had to slide down our neighbor's driveway in order to get, well, not the driveway, but the, yeah, hold on. had to slide down their stairs and into the driveway and down into the ground to get to the street. And then I had to really slowly get over here. It's all very slippery. It's nothing but ice. Somebody made a little circle for these pumpkins, which is really cute. Look at you, Angelo. Look at mommy. There's the park. Yes?
What is that guy doing?
Oh, messing with the tree down there.
Yeah. What did he do?
Trying to pick it up. Being silly. Hey, you.
Like me.
What are you doing? Silly like you.
Offered to go. Today, you should follow what we are.
Okay. He's saying hi to cyclists. They're waving back, which is really sweet. Keep walking. Keep walking. He's fascinated with signs and fences. Are you enjoying this so far, Angelo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Go.
If this would eat me, I would go right there.
Right in the middle, huh?
And if it would have turned, it would grab me and then put me in its mouth.
Right in the middle of the tree is its mouth. But I'm glad it's not going to eat you.
Yeah, right. Will eat me.
That's right, me too. I like you too much. And what are you doing, sir? Are you poking people with branches? Why you do that?
Don't be silly, Noah.
Don't be silly. Wow, you're doing a really good job there.
Here
Keep
you
going.
Go.
Too heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, bummer. Too heavy. That's okay. You're the perfect weight and the perfect size. Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where do you think you're going?
Up here. I'm going downtown.
You're going downtown?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Downtown.
Tell me how you like it. We'll miss you.
Wow.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it, Noah. Tell me what you think. Yeah? And then what? And then what? Yeah, is that what you think?
Wow. Bye. Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, Angelo just gave this to me and it makes me so happy. Angelo, thank you. My sweet little love bug. That makes me so happy. Thank you, baby. You're the best. Mwah. I love you. You're so goofy. We found a golden gem. Whoa. Those are beautiful. Angela, I called you Noah. Do you see those? Aren't they so pretty?
Yeah.
I don't know what kind they are. Look at that. You're the best. Thank you. He gave me one of these too. Hidden little gem. I haven't seen any of these ever. And it's just a little tiny patch here. So cute. Thank you, Angelo. One for him. Okay, no more. No more. Those are so cool. Let's leave them there.
Just one more.
Well, Noah doesn't need one. He's going to eat it, baby.
Oh.
We don't want that.
Just one for you and one for me.
Yes. Thank you. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom. Whoa, are you driving? Good job driving the car. You're a crazy passenger, Angelo. Careful, crazy passenger. You want a huggy? Did you hurt yourself? Did you get boo-boos? All done? You're just in love with doggies now, huh? Hey, you want me to help you? Helpy? You did do it. Big step. Big step. Oh, good job. Good job. Did you whack your face? Where'd you get that whack from? Was it the stair? When you were climbing up the stair? You want to go down there? No? Angelo's brave. He's gonna go. Hi, Angelo! There you are! Peekaboo! Come on. Come on, my love. Oh, look at you. Good job. Good job. It's quite slippery, huh? Do you want to go down the slide with me, Noah? No slide? Do you want to go down the slide, Angelo? No? You gonna climb? You want to teach him how?
When you hold this, it gives you more grip.
Holy moly, look at him go. He's like, nah, I got this.
Or you can do that too, the same way how I did it.
Mommy's here. You need some help. You want help?
Ow!
Ow! What, the rope? The rope barely got you. You got it. Keep going.
It sucks.
Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Ow.
Okay, I'll help you. And we're going down the slide. Here we go. Ready? What? Let's get your leg in. 2. Yay! We did it. Is it fun? There's Angela. We're gonna go down the slide. Angela pushed us down the slide. Whee! We did it. Ah! He came right after us.
How did that? Wait, how did you know what go that fast?
Because you're so fast. Fastest kid I know. Well, we did it, and now we're getting back into the car and ready to go home. That was fun, but there was a lot of debris. Obviously, you can see behind us, there's a lot going on here. What are you doing? Are you excited? Are those excited sounds? Or are you just joking around because you want to get in the car? Ready? Should we get going? Okay, we will see you guys later. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.